Hi guys, Dr. Yarda with Backbone Wellness right here in Cincinnati. Okay, so now let's just jump right into it. This is your brain, okay? And then this is your spinal cord. And branched off the spinal cord, you have 31 pairs of nerves, and they connect to every cell and every tissue and every organ of your body. Now, what happens if your brain dies? Okay, so the rest of your body dies, okay? What happens to, say, the cells of your stomach? Okay, so they die. What happens then if we cut all the nerves going to the stomach? What happens? Well, it will cease to function. Does that make sense? Just like if you cut the nerves going to your eye, what happens is that you can't see. Okay, if you cut all the nerves going to your arm, it's paralyzed, it can't function. Now, think about this. What if we had a bone out of place in your spine and now it's choking off that nerve? Would the organs attached to those nerves be healthier or sicker as time goes on? Does that make sense? So now a great analogy, if you think about it, is if you go ahead and you tie a rubber band to your finger. Does it hurt right away? No. It takes time to create that symptom, but over a period of time it starts to hurt. And if you keep it on, it turns red. And then if you keep it on long enough, eventually it turns black and then it starts to die. So if you misalign your spine and that nerve is now compressed, what happens again to the cells and tissues and organs that nerve is going to? They will start to break down over time. Now here's the kicker. You don't know that it's happening while it's happening at first. A subluxation, which is that bone out of place, pinching that nerve, subluxations don't cause symptoms. Just like cancer can be silent at first, or a person can have heart disease for years and you don't feel anything. Subluxations can start out silently. It's not until enough tissue damage is done that symptoms will begin to appear. It's called a threshold. Once enough cell damage has occurred, bingo, you get the symptoms. So we'll have people come into the office and they'll say, well, I'm fine, this problem just happened last month, but we take x-rays and then we see that it's a 10-year problem. Just the symptoms only showed up a month ago. We take the x-rays and you say, there's 10 years of arthritis or degeneration going on. And the same nerves, for example, say that those nerves are being pinched off down here, and those same nerves are going now to the bladder, the prostate, the uterus, or the colon. That subluxation, that nerve compression, can weaken those organs over time. And I'll tell you, in the office over 20 years, this is my 20th year in practice, we've had miracles happen in the office when we were able to open up those nerves and your body can start to function more correctly. So pretty cool. Okay. So on our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about a problem called maintenance, problem, and crisis, and how it affects everyone. Okay, thanks guys.